Hi guys, welcome back in Learn Python 3 with Atif Masih series. This is the fourth part of Python standard library modules. In this video, we will talk about random module. We can generate random numbers using random module. Then we will discuss some functions of random module. .random, .seed, .randint, .randrange, .shuffle, .choice and .sample. Before using random module, first we have to import using import keyword. And see here, I have just import the random module using import keyword, and then I just printed a message printing random number using random.random method, and then I just printed the random.random, and it will generate floating point number between 0 to 1. And see here, it generated a number 0.96 and so. Now we will start discussing random module functions. First function is random.seed. The seed function is used to initialize random number generator in Python. The random module uses the seed value as a base to generate a random number. And if seed value is not present, it takes a system current time as a seed value. And if we use the same seed value before calling any random module function, we will get same output every time. What does it mean by getting same output every time when we call the random module? And see here, I have used here random.seed 6, and then I just printed random.random function, and then see here, I have used seed.5, and then again I printed the value of random number. And see here, let me uncomment this and see here the result. At first, seed 6 value is 0.79, and see here, at second 6 we have same value, and this is the meaning of when we use same seed value, then we will get same output. Next we will discuss randint, and it will take two parameters, A and B, and we can say that it is a range for generating the numbers. And see here, I just printed random.randint between 0 to 9, and see here, when I run this code it will return 1. Let me run again, and see here, now it return 5. We will discuss random.randrange, and in this method we can define our range starting, ending and difference or step. And see here example, I have just printed the value random.randrange, and I have assigned 2 as a starting point, 20 ending point, and next third 2 is a step size or difference or increment. And then again I have just written here the same line. And see here, both return random number between 2 to 20, but see here it returns even number because I have assigned here 2 as a increment value. That's why we have got both values even number. Next we will discuss random dot choice, and it will take argument any iterable variable. It can be tuple, string or dictionary or list, but in my example I will take list. And see here I have a list of different cities: Lahore, Islamabad, Karachi and Kasur. And then I just printed random dot choice and then I pass here list, and see here it randomly choose a single value. Let me run again. It returns same value. Let me run again, and see here it returns Kasur. Next we will talk about choices. Same as choice, it will get a list, but also it will get second parameter which is k, and it means number of elements. If we want to print multiple element of list, then we will use random dot choices. And see here I have a list of city: Lahore, Islamabad, Karachi, Kasur, Faisalabad and Multan. And then see here I have just printed random dot choices, and then I pass here list and also k with value 4. And see here it returns sub list of 4 elements. And one thing we have to keep in mind, when we use dot choices, it will also repeat same values. Let me run again, and see here Lahore and again Lahore. And also we can use random dot sample to print multiple elements of list, but using dot sample it will generate unique elements. And see here we have same list as above, and then I printed the value and it returned this sublist. And when I run this again, it will generate sublist again, but it always has different values. Next we will talk about random dot shuffle, and it will also take argument as a list, and then it will shuffle the all element of list. And see here we have a list 2, 5, 8, 9 and 12, and then I just shuffled using random dot shuffle, and then I just printed the list. And see here when I print this list again, it returns same value but different index. In this video we have discussed about random module and also different functions of random module. If you have any query, please let me know in comment section. If you want to learn more about Python, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos with your friends, and don't forget to click on bell icon so that you won't miss new videos.
Stay tuned. We'll be right back.